If iMessage is not working on your iPhone 17, your messages may stay green instead of turning blue. This can happen after setting up a new iPhone, updating to iOS 26, or switching to a new SIM or eSIM. Let's go through the fixes one by one. Start by turning iMessage off and back on. Sometimes iMessage is already enabled, but the activation gets stuck in the background. Open Settings, then tap Apps. Tap Messages, then turn off iMessage. Wait for about 10 seconds, then turn iMessage back on. After that, try sending a message to another iPhone user. If the message turns blue, then iMessage is working again. If it still sends as a green message, let's check the next setting. Go back to the Messages screen, then tap Send and Receive. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple account. Then check that your phone number is selected. If only your email is selected, tap your phone number and enable it. This is important because iMessage needs to know which number or email to use when sending messages. Once that's done, go back to Messages and try sending another message. Now let's make sure your internet connection is working. iMessage needs Wi-Fi or cellular data. Without that, it can't be sent as an iMessage. Open Safari, then try loading any website. If the website does not load, connect to another Wi-Fi network or use cellular data. To check cellular data, open Settings, then tap Cellular. Make sure cellular data is turned on and check that your active line is enabled. After that, open Messages again and test iMessage. If you recently moved to your iPhone 17, check your SIM or eSIM next. Your phone number may not be fully active with iMessage yet. Open Settings, then tap Cellular. Make sure the correct SIM or eSIM line is turned on. Now restart your iPhone. A restart can refresh messages, cellular service, and iMessage activation. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone turns back on, keep it connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, then open Messages and try sending another iMessage. This fixes the issue for a lot of people, especially after setting up a new phone. Still not working? Reset your network settings. This will not delete your apps, photos, or messages, but it will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, and some cellular settings. So make sure you know your Wi-Fi password before doing this. Open Settings, then tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode. Confirm the reset, and after a few seconds, the network settings of your iPhone will be reset successfully. This is one of the better fixes when the problem is connected to Wi-Fi, cellular data, or activation. At this point, you've already tried the main fixes that usually get iMessage working again. But if your messages still stay green, the problem may not be coming from your iPhone anymore. It could be a carrier issue, a blocked SMS activation, or something Apple needs to check. Contact your carrier first and ask them to confirm that your SIM or eSIM is active and that SMS is working properly. After that, contact Apple support and tell them iMessage is enabled on your iPhone 17, but your number still will not activate. That's it for this guide. Hope this helps.